blocks. Guys, it's really cold. You mares are just weak. It's really, really cold. And our foals, they were only born in the spring, maybe sort of early summer. But they're not used to this type of weather. Yeah. Maybe we should go and shelter. Yeah, we should shelter. Right, fine. We'll go to the cave. If it's already been taken, then we're staying here. Okay, for the rest of the winter. Let's go. Get in your lines. Come on, Navy. Hey, come on. Hey, Mommy, wait. Here's Starlight. Right, we're heading to the cave. Hurry up. Guys, wait! Okay, the caves have not been taken, so we can stay in them for the winter. Let's go. Oh, this feels better already. I know. We have so much heavy breath. Come on, Flash. Flash. Flash, it's not the time to be going down now. Get in the cave. Okay. Flash, get up. Mommy. Go to the end of the cave. I'll meet you there. Flash, go now. Come on, guys. Let's go to the cave. Yeah, but it looks like there's... Oh, no. Good. You think people on travel? No. Yeah. You see it's full. Let's fight for our space. Get the foals down.